Plant FAQs, Caladium Fannie Munson. Unraveling the mysteries of Caladium Fannie Munson. As a plant enthusiast, I often find myself drawn to the exquisite beauty of Caladium Fannie Munson. These stunning foliage plants boast vibrant colors and unique patterns, making them a favorite among gardeners and indoor plant enthusiasts alike. Over the years, I've encountered numerous questions about these captivating plants. In this article, I aim to address some of the most frequently asked questions about Caladium Fannie Munson, shedding light on their care, propagation, and companions in the garden. See more 19 species in genus Caladium at monsteraholic.com. What is Caladium Fannie Munson? Caladium Fannie Munson is a cultivar of Caladium bicolor, renowned for its large, heart-shaped leaves and striking variegation. Named after Fannie Munson, a renowned horticulturist, these plants typically display a combination of pink, green, and white hues, adding a pop of color to any space. How to care for Caladium Fannie Munson. Caring for Caladium Fannie Munson involves providing them with the right growing conditions. These plants thrive in well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. They prefer partial to full shade, making them ideal for indoor or outdoor settings with indirect sunlight. Regular watering is essential to keep the soil evenly moist, but be careful not to overwater as it can lead to root rot. Additionally, fertilize the plants sparingly during the growing season to promote healthy foliage. How to propagate Caladium Fannie Munson. Propagating Caladium Fannie Munson can be done through division or by planting tubers. During the dormant season, carefully divide the tubers, ensuring that each section has at least one healthy bud. Plant the divisions in pots filled with well-draining soil, and keep them warm and moist until new growth emerges. Alternatively, you can plant tubers directly into the soil, burying them shallowly with the eyes facing up. What plants go well with Fannie Munson caladiums? Caladium Fannie Munson's vibrant foliage can serve as a stunning focal point in any garden or indoor display. To complement their beauty, consider pairing them with plants that have contrasting textures and colors. Some excellent companions for Fannie Munson caladiums include begonias. With their lush foliage and delicate flowers, begonias provide a charming contrast to the bold leaves of Caladium Fannie Munson. Hostas. These shade-loving perennials offer a range of leaf shapes and colors, creating a dynamic backdrop for the showy foliage of Fannie Munson caladiums. Ferns. The feathery fronds of ferns add a touch of elegance to any planting scheme, enhancing the lushness of Caladium Fannie Munson's leaves. Impatiens. Known for their profusion of colorful blooms, impatiens make an excellent companion for Fannie Munson caladiums, adding a splash of color to shady areas. Eucharis. These versatile perennials come in a variety of shades, from deep burgundy to vibrant lime green, providing a striking contrast to the variegated foliage of Caladium Fannie Munson. By pairing Caladium Fannie Munson with these complementary plants, you can create visually stunning displays that will delight and inspire all who behold them. What are the common pests and diseases of Caladium Fannie Munson? While Caladium Fannie Munson is relatively pest and disease resistant, they may occasionally encounter issues such as aphids, mealybugs, and fungal diseases. To prevent infestations, inspect the plants regularly and treat any pests promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Proper watering practices and good air circulation can also help prevent fungal diseases such as leaf spot and powdery mildew. How to overwinter Caladium Fannie Munson. In regions where temperatures drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, it's essential to overwinter Caladium Fannie Munson indoors to protect them from frost damage. Before the first frost, carefully dig up the tubers and allow them to dry out for a few days. Once dry, store the tubers in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Check them periodically for signs of rot or dehydration and mist lightly if needed. In the spring, when the danger of frost has passed, replant the tubers outdoors and resume regular care. Conclusion. Caladium Fannie Munson is a stunning addition to any garden or indoor space, with its vibrant foliage and unique variegation. By understanding how to care for and propagate these plants, as well as selecting suitable companions, you can create breathtaking displays that will be the envy of all who see them. With proper care and attention, Caladium Fannie Munson will reward you with years of beauty and enjoyment.